All right, outside today, a few scattered downpours, but I want to update you first on pollen and aquifer numbers that are seeing the weather impact for sure. Look at the molds, 13,820, still extreme, but down from 16,000 yesterday. But we're adding pigweed, fall elm, and grass to the air. The aquifer story continues to be a good one. It's up another 1.5 feet. And look at this, since Friday, 5, nearly 6 now, foot increase. Again, in less than a week. That is just fantastic. Rain hitting the target. Whenever rain falls over the hill country from San Antonio north and west, it's right over the contributing zone. Isolated showers that you see crossing 281 and I-10 a couple of hours ago and now over Highway 90 near Hondo. Nothing too substantial out there, and that's the good news because any downpour that sits still is going to lead to flooding in a hurry. Overlooking Calaveras Lake, we've got a hazy sky condition, but it's definitely a mostly cloudy Thursday afternoon with 90 on the thermometer that feels like 96. We're getting a north and northeast wind right now, but the dew point not responding to that, still at high 71 and tropical. I've got 92 coming in from Floresville, even better, 93 at Pleasanton. Bulverde's at 89 with Lakey, and it's 90 degrees. That's not too bad. You know, considering this time of year, that's not too bad. We should all be in the mid 90s, even upper 90s. All right, so the rainmaker still remains to be this trough axis down to our south and east. And so we're waiting for it to go on the move. And what we're thinking is models are saying that it just does inch back to the west enough that our rain chances go up a little bit on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right now, it doesn't appear that it's really going to be making too big of a move, and the models are thinking maybe Friday's a lot like today and yesterday. So no weather impact alert for tomorrow. We're expecting more rain Friday night, early Saturday, and then again on Sunday. So we're expecting some good coverage, and it really looks like the focal point is going to be southeast and maybe into the, community south of the city. If we can keep rain out of the hill country, that would be a good thing. I mean, they just don't need any rain right now, but Saturday and Sunday probabilities are still high, so those are going to remain weather impact days. Now, the rainfall amount still a bit on the low side for San Antonio and the metro, especially the hill country, at only ½ inch to a full inch, and this is between now and next Thursday, with 1 to 2 inch totals reserved for communities southeast of the city. So the 14-day forecast from the San Antonio Riverwalk, I'm going with a 40% chance for Friday, high hits 88. Weather impact alert days now reserved for Saturday, Sunday, especially with it being the weekend and you're spending more time on the roads and out and about. Be on the alert for some flooding rains. It'll be localized flooding, won't be widespread, but it'll definitely be something to keep an eye on with a good chance of rain. Until Monday, this is when we start expecting a bit of a pattern shift and high pressure to take over. So we'll go back into the upper 90s for several days. In fact, that's how we'll wrap up July and begin August. And notice that we'll go rain-free for several days as well. But Audrey, I would not wash that car just yet.